Hey everybody! If your Wi Fi keeps on disconnecting on your Android phone and you are looking out how to fix this issue, today we are going to guide you through some methods for that. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. We can start by simple fixes such as restarting your phone. Hold your power button for that and look out for the restart option. And once you find it up, you may just go over and tap on it and confirm it up because a simple restart can often resolve the temporary bugs. You can turn off your device and wait a few seconds and turn them back on as well. Apart from that, you can go to your settings and open it up and you can find your network. For that, you need to go to connections and then look out for the Wi Fi that you're connected and tap on the settings. Once you tap on settings, you can look out for the forget option and tap on it, and then reconnect it by entering up the password again or scanning it. Also, your phone may be disconnecting due to a weak signal, so you can move closer to your router and see if that fixes your issue as well. And also turn off power saving mode if that option is on, because that can disconnect your Wi Fi to save battery. So you can go to your settings for that and go over to battery and device care. And within here, go to battery. And from battery, you can look out for power saving and you can turn it off if this option is turned on. That may be causing the Wi-Fi to be disconnected. And that's it, guys. You may probably follow up this method. If nothing else works, you can update the router's firmware and also connect to your device's carrier. And that should probably fix the issue for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.